Traders, and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily US dollar index review. My name is Martin Rimes. Today's date is Wednesday, January 8, 2014. Hey, please check out the website hitthemarktrading.com. While you're there, look at what the boot camp offers, because I get a lot of questions about how to trade with trend and momentum, and that's what that course is all about. Go to the contacts page and you can sign up for Rooster Call. Now, what the heck is Rooster Call? Well, this is my early morning look at the charts and the fundamentals, and I just write up a very brief morning note to clients. I'd like to send it to you as well for free. Remember, everything I mention in this video recording is for your educational purposes only. Please do not construe anything that I mention as an offer to buy or sell any type of currency futures or options on currencies. Let's go to the chart. If you were with me last night, you saw that I suggested we would probably hit up here. Remember that? Well, wow, it happened. All we're doing is using trend and momentum trading techniques. So let's go to the weekly, and I'll come back to this chart. All right, we've got this signal on the weekly to go long. This is a trend changing signal. Horizontal trend line break, diagonal trend line break, and then just from here around and up, this is another signal. Okay, this is a signal inspired by Wells Wilder on his RSI, and you can see price does the same thing. Have a low, we come up, we fall back, we do not exceed that low, and now here we are testing it. I've been talking about the test of this moving average, 34 exponential. Now this 34 exponential moving average is pretty strong, but if we move above it, if we go above this trigger line here, wow, that's a big deal. We're going to run up probably to 84 and retest 85. Let's look at the daily. Okay, so here's the daily. Everything's looking very bullish here with trend and momentum on the daily. You know, at some point, the daily's going to break away, and then the weekly has to follow. And looking at this trend line, the fact that we had this trend line break, this channel here, that's quite bullish. So it looks like we're going up. Now we got wild card day tomorrow with the ECB announcing monetary policy, and then we have also the Bank of England announcing monetary policy, but the big boy here is the ECB, no doubt about it. Friday we've got the employment situation report. Okay, so those 2 days, Thursday and Friday, are going to cause movement in US dollar, and what we're seeing so far is that we could be moving higher. Okay, we've got to clear that level on the weekly, but the daily is saying, hey, I am ready to do it. I broke through and I've got follow through. Let's look at the intraday chart. All right, recall that I use a 10 range bar chart. I don't know where my little title went. This is US dollar 10 range bar chart. And here we are, you know, we suggested we'd pop up to here, and sure enough, we popped up there. No real surprise. I'm going to extend this line out. This line's important. Okay, so basically, if we fall back, we expect this line to hold because it's held so well. Obviously, if we fall down through this, I think we'll probably run up to this level. Can I move that? Come here. Come here, Mr. Square. Cannot seem to move that. Okay. Well, let's just draw another one. All right. Right here. If we break down through this S2, then of course we would go to S3. Okay, good. All right. On the upside here, the first order of the day is to retest this high. And then since we have the ECB, you got to understand we could shoot rapidly higher. So just be aware of that. That's why it's wow, on this employment situation report, have you ever watched minutes before that report the Forex pairs? My gosh, they are so nervous. So what we're looking for here is we're right at the main floor pivot. We're looking for a touch of this level, and depending on what ECB does, if they do anything to debase the currency, we could see this thing climb even more. Okay, obviously if we go down to the downside, we would test this area with the potential to fall even lower. So that's our outlook for tomorrow. I'll talk to you later.